Hi there, what's going on? My name is Art and here is Stranger English channel. Let's learn English together. Do you speak English?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Hello, hello, hello. Your turn. Hi, hi, hi. I. Name, name, name. My.
Precious!
My name is Art. Or we can say, I am Art. I'm Art.
Hi! My name is... What? My name is... My name is...
Boy, boy, boy. Girl, girl, girl. Man, man, man. Woman, woman, woman. Who, who, who. Who is this? Who is this? I am a boy. Who is this? I am a man. Hello.
Hi,
Hi. Yes.
no,
Who is this?
I am a girl.
Okay, then I'm a boy. Your turn.
I am a woman.
Really? I am a man.
Who is this?
Who are you trying to reach?
What number is this?
What number are you trying to reach?
I don't know.
I guess you have the wrong number.
Do I?
It happens. Take it easy. Hello.
I guess I dialed the wrong
So
number.
why did you dial it again?
To apologize.
You're forgiven. Bye now. Hello.
Why don't you want to talk to me?
Who is this?
Tell me your name.
I don't think so. Yes.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Why? You want to ask me out?
Maybe.
No.
What is your name?
Why do you want to know my name?
Because I want to know who I am looking at.
What did you say? I gotta go. What do you want?
To talk.
Dial someone else, okay? I'm 2 seconds away to call the police.
Don't hang up on me.
Go away!
To see what your insides look.
Go away! I'm gonna go!
I want to learn English.
It was Stranger English channel. If you like it, please feel free to subscribe. But if not,